from support and operation in FaceGraph. Oh, you started the record. Thank you. And we are going to be covering a couple of points from the portal, and also we're going to be discussing the Connect app a bit. I am joined with Ahmed, our CEO and founder for FaceGraph. If you guys had any questions, again, leave them in the chat box. If it's necessary, I can cover them if it's necessary, like during the presentation. If not, I'll answer them at the end of the presentation. And let's start. So last time we discussed how we can take attendance or scans using the thermal tablet. Today we will see how we can do that from the Connect app. I'm going to share my phone screen. Let's see. Okay, nice. All right. So this is our Connect app. It's called Workplace Co. You can find it on the App Store and the Google Play Store. You can just open it, or once we open it, we can log in with our account number and passcode, and we will view this main page. Let's say I want to record my attendance for today. I will go here to this quick action icon, and then I'll press on this hand icon, and I will record myself as I'm signed in. Okay, it tells me that I'm away from the device. I'm okay with that, so I will just record it. Oh my, I am signing in.
And maybe here I can highlight the feature that we have the ability to do what we call proximity checking or geolocation. So we can require for attendance to have the person be in the physical location, and that's what happened with Sarah. So she's trying to log in, but she is away from the location by several feet in that case, so it doesn't let her. But what she can do, she can submit an attendance request and say, hey, look, I tried to log in, I was not next to the location, and that goes to the administrator. And you can see her being the administrator, she received the request, and she can click on it and approve herself in that case. Obviously, normally it would be an employee requesting from their manager to take an exception and record attendance remotely. This feature can be also turned off. In that case, employees are not going to be required to be in the location while they're doing the attendance from the phone.
That's helpful. Thank you. We can also access from here the notifications if anyone, let's say, since I am the administrator, if someone detected not wearing a mask and I am activating the option or the notification where I should be notified if someone is not wearing a mask, I'll view it from here. Also, any notification or any announcement the administrator can do from the portal, I can see it from here, along with the photos if you guys are having like the holiday parties or conferences or anything. Moving on to the Smile Me In portal, so we can see how we can manage the attendance. Let's see. Alright, so managing attendance, from this tab, we can perform a couple of actions. Let's say editing. If I want to edit Ahmed's login, it shows up here that he logged in around 11 a.m. Let's say he came in early but forgot to do so to take the scan. I can just edit his sign in from here. I can say he came in around 9. 9:30. And then hit save. Also, I can add a bulk, or like, let's say I can filter the people who forgot to sign in for today. As you can see, everyone forgot to. I can just highlight them all and update all of or everyone's sign in to be, let's say, from 8. Temperature was all right, and submit it. We go to all of the records. We can just see everyone's login. We can do the same thing with the signing out. Let's just do it while we're at it. Sign out. Another thing we can do from this step as well, it's adding time off. Let's say Ahmed went to pick up his kids around 12 from school, and he went, or he basically left the office for an hour and then came back. I can say that Ahmed did so by adding a time off for him. He left from 12 and came back at 1 and save. Then this hour that Ahmed left the office is going to be recorded in his monthly or daily report. Instead of working 9 hours, he only worked now. It will show that he only worked 8 hours. Any questions for managing attendance or editing? No? We're good? Okay. Let's move on to the next one, which is the payroll. From here, the employee monthly payroll, you can see each employee's monthly, like it break down day by day their logins and their total hours. You can download it from here. If you would like to get one report including all of your employees signing in and out during the whole month, I would suggest to use the custom report. I can say I want only the employees, and I want from the month February, from the 1st till the end of Feb. And I can just download my report here. So all of my employees will be downloaded in one report. Any questions about this one? I know it's very helpful for everyone or for the administrators. So it helps with the payroll. No? Okay, 2 features that would help you here, or like you can basically customize it. The first one, it is the overtime. You can track and calculate the overtime for your employees from here, but first you just need to activate it from settings. So let's go to settings, and then go to reports and open the toggle here or activate it. I can decide, let's say every week my employees work 40 hours, so anything or any number above the 40 will be calculated as a overtime. I can hit save. I'm sure, yeah, I activate. And then it will just require me to re-sign in. Now, when I go to the attendance report, to the monthly one, I will have another column saying that it's the total, or sorry, not this one, payroll. Yeah, So I have the overtime column right here. If anyone worked overtime, it will be showing up or showing right here. Second feature that you can customize, it is the, let's say your business is based or operates based on shifts. You can activate the Crossday where, let's say an employee logs in around 6 p.m. and leaves out around 1 a.m. It will be recorded in the same day. So we can just go to settings and then log in and facial recognition and allow the Crossday attendance and just. Any questions? Okay. All right. Moving on, there is a couple of things that would be helpful for you to know, such as the safety feature right here. Let's say, God forbid, you guys are having any emergency and you would like to know which of your employees are signed in and they're present in the building. We can just filter by department and see who are the people are present. All of their details will be here. And yeah, you can export the file as well. So yeah. Also, you can create communication from here. You can send an instant or a scheduled message that can be reached to everyone on the system, whether by email, an SMS like text message, or a notification on the Connect app. You can just yeah, customize your audience from here, and then you can say an instant message, choose the channel, and write headline over here and your message and just send it, and it will be sent out to everyone. Guess this one is very helpful for you to know. Yeah, that would be it for today. Now your questions. No questions.
So did maybe we can, if you have some time now, we can go through the export of reports, attendance reports.
Yeah, sure.
With 3 types of reports.
The daily and the payroll and the monthly one?
Yeah.
No problem. Okay. So let's choose the daily one. Let's say I want to export the file for everyone who works in the HR department, and I want it till the end of February or March. What is the date today? Now I can just download this file and it will show me everyone's in and out on the 3rd. You can choose the specific date you want your report to be, and I can save it as an Excel. Okay. Sorry, it's taking time. Here is a report. All locations. Actually, this should be only for the HR of these 3 people. Here I sign in and out and all the details. Everyone was present. No one was actually absent today. Moving to the payroll, employees payroll, I can just choose, let's say, from the start of this year, from the from the 1st of January till now. Here are all of the scans. Nobody actually did overtime. And I can still download a PDF, Excel. And the employee payroll, I guess we already discussed that one. It shows everyone's daily logins. Let's say Aiden in January, I don't think that he had any scans. Oh, he did. Wednesday. Then you can just download it. For visitors, you can, if you had any visitors, you can just see all of their sign in and out for each day from here. That would be it for me. Do you have anything to add, Ahmed?
No, I think you did well. You covered most of the things that we wanted to show today. So if you probably maybe end by going to the customer settings and just show the settings over there under, I think it was called login and login and facial recognition. So we have the allow cross-day attendance. You covered that one already, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, yeah, perfect. So that's the setting that will control whether you want to have people log attendance after the day is over. So for, start in one day and finish in another day, because that will have implications on how attendance is being recorded. The other thing, if you go to locations, maybe we can relate to your first demo. If you click on locations, that's where we have all the locations listed. You can have multiple locations, either physical or you just want to divide your company account to multiple locations. If you click on edit location right there, you should be able to see that proximity option that we talked about. So this demo account is set up to a location in North Carolina, which is really far away from where Sarah is today. She's based out of Egypt, so that would be thousands and thousands of miles away. So if we turn that off, and she tries to do an attendance from the phone again, it wouldn't ask her to be on that location. It would allow her to do the attendance right away, regardless of her location. And this is a feature that we find a lot of customers use today because of Corona. So they ask their users to do attendance from the phone, but they want to make sure they are in location. But if they are going to work from home or remotely, then they turn this off, or rather not having turned on because it's not turned on by default, and then they can do the attendance. Perfect. So I think we can take a pause and wait if there is any question, and if there isn't, we can conclude. So you can unmute yourself, or you can type your question in the chat. Excellent. Okay. So it looks like we don't have any questions. Sarah, Hamdi, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate everyone's time on this, and hopefully we'll see you again in another webinar.
Thank you.